everyone, we're going to find the equation of the tangent line to the graph at 0, 1. X squared plus 5y times e to the power of x plus y cubed equals 4. So the setup is differentiating both sides of the equation with respect to x. So we'll just write this x squared plus 5y e to the power of x plus y cubed, and then also differentiate with respect to x, our 4. Now, the right-hand side, this is just going to equal 0 because 4 is a constant. For the left-hand side, when you differentiate x squared, that's just going to be 2x. We have to use the product rule for this. So we're just going to differentiate the 5y, and that's just going to be 5. That's going to be times derivative of y with respect to x. And then also you have to multiply this by e to the power of x. So again, we're using the product rule on this. And then you add plus 5y, and derivative of e to the x power is e to the power of x. And then for this y, that's just going to be 3y squared, also times derivative of y with respect to x. And again, this equals 0. Now the next step is to group your dy dx's together. So I'm going to leave these on the left-hand side and move these two over to the right. Also going to factor out dy dx. So I'm going to do that all in one step. So for dy divided by dx, then I'll be left with 5 times e to the power of x. And then we have plus this piece, 3y squared. Now these two here, let's do yellow. I'm going to move these over. So it's going to be negative 2x minus 5y to the power of, times e to the power of x. Now divide both sides by this piece, and you're going to get, excuse me, dy divided by dx equals negative 2x minus 5y times e to the power of x divided by 5 times e to the power of x plus 3y squared. Now, the slope at the tangent line at 0, so we're going to substitute in 0 because that's your x value. And when you substitute that in, you're going to get 0 minus 5 times 1, because that's your y. You have to substitute your x and y in, times e to the power of 0. Denominator is going to be 5 times e to the power of 0 plus 3 times 1 squared. All right, e to the power of 0 is just 1, so I'm just going to cross these out. You get negative 5, and this is going to be 5 plus 3 is 8. So our slope is negative 5/8. Now we just have to find the equation of the tangent line once we have the slope. So let's write down the slope is negative 5/8. And then go ahead and fill this out using point slope formula. So it's y minus 1, that's your y value, equals negative 5/8 times x minus 0. All right, so this is going to give you y equals negative 5/8 x. We don't have to worry about this 0. Just cross that out. Add the 1 to both sides, and we are done. There's your equation of the tangent line. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.